friends, today we are going to learn about 10th geometry, chapter 4, geometric construction. In this session we will going to learn about how to draw similar triangles. Now take one example. Triangle PQR similar to triangle LTR. In triangle PQR, PQ 4.2 cm, QR 5.4 cm, PR 4.8 cm. Construct triangle PQR and triangle LTR such that the ratio PQ upon LT is 3 by 4. Now, note that in these two triangles, the vertex R is in common. So we have to put the vertex R common to both triangle. So we have to put this vertex on left side of the figure. Okay. Now let's draw a base which contains the R. Okay. So take a base as QR, but we have to give name it as RQ because we have to put R on the left side of the figure. RQ having length 5.4 cm. Now from point R we have to draw PR. So PR is 4.8 cm. So with the distance 4.8 cm, draw one arc from point R. Now we have to draw PQ. PQ having length 4.2 cm. So from point Q, draw arc of 4.2 cm. We will get a new point. Join this point and name it as point P. This is our required triangle, triangle PQR. Okay. Now, this line we have extended because we will need this in construction. Okay. Now, point R is in common. So, we have to draw one arc which will make an angle of 45 degree or maybe 50 degree. So, make an angle of 45 degree at point R below of RQ. Like this, draw one ray. Okay. Now the ratio PQ upon LT, this ratio is given as 3 by 4. Now that means 4 is a greater number than 3. So we have to first make 4 equal parts of this ray. So with suitable distance, with the help of compass, make 4 equal parts. This first part, second part, third part and fourth part. Okay, so third part is joined to the PQ. Okay, PQ means PQ upon LT, the ratio QR upon TR and the ratio PR upon LR same as 3 by 4. All these ratios of the corresponding sides, all these are equal to 3 by 4. So we have to make 3 equal parts of segment RQ. So join third part to the point Q directly. Okay, this will make 3 equal parts of RQ. Now we have to draw one parallel line from this fourth part. So we have to make a congruent angle. Okay, so from this point of third arc, with suitable distance, make one arc. With the same distance from this arc, make one arc. Now take a width of this arc, okay, with the help of compass. So from this intersection point, draw intersecting arc. Okay. Now from this fifth part, draw a line which will parallel to this line and name this point as point T. We have to do the same procedure. We have to make an angle congruent to angle Q at point T. Okay. So from point Q, with suitable distance, draw one arc. With the same distance from point T, make one arc. Take a width of this arc. Then from this point, with the same measure, draw intersecting arc. Then from the point T, draw a line which is parallel to PQ. Okay. And name this point as point L. So this is the required triangle LTR. Okay. Now let's go to the second example. In triangle AMT similar to triangle AHE. In triangle AMT, AM 6.3 cm, 85.6 cm and angle A is given 120 degree. And the ratio AM upon AH equal to 7.5. We have to construct the triangle AHE. In this figure also, note down that the point A is in comma. So we have to put the point A on the left side of the figure. Okay. So draw the line segment as AM. Okay. This segment having measure 6.3 centimeter, and we are putting this point A, which is in common, on left side. Okay, so we have to make an angle at A of 120 degree. Okay, now here the measure of AT is 5.6. So from point A, take a measure of 5.6. Okay, and draw a point T and draw a line TM. So this is a required angle, triangle AMT. Now from point A, making angle of 45 degree, draw one ray. Okay, and we have to make 7 equal parts. Okay, so from point A with suitable distance, first make first part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth, and sixth and 7 parts. Okay, 7 equal parts. Now we have to join this 7 part to the AM. So from this 7 part, join the point M. Okay. Now we have to join the 5th part to AH. That means from 5th part we have to draw a line parallel to this. Okay. So first we have to make a congruent angle. Okay. So at this point, with a suitable distance of compass, draw one arc. Now from point 5th, with the same distance, draw one arc. Okay, now take a width of this arc. So from this point, with the measure same as width of this angle, draw one intersecting arc. Okay, now this 5th part and this intersection point, draw line segment, and this must be parallel to this, and name this point as point H. We have to do the same procedure at point H. That means we have to make a congruent angle, which will be the congruent to the angle M. So with the help of compass, draw one arc from point M. With the same distance from point H, draw another arc with the same distance. Then again take a width of this arc. Then from this point, draw with the same distance, draw intersecting arc, and we are taking this distance is same as the width of this angle. Okay, now this from intersection point and the point H, draw a segment which is parallel to segment TM, and name this point as point E, and this is the required triangle, triangle AHE. Okay.